import data from web. If you want to download any data from any website, you can also directly download in Excel. Here we have one website and we want to download the stock trends from that website. So just go to data tab, from web, paste the address here. We have addresses, let's copy, paste, go to. Now we have here 4 tables. Wherever you will see the table, an arrow automatically will appear there. So we have arrow here. Now I want to download only top trending. So just click here and click on the import and give the cell reference here where you want to download. Okay. So automatically top 10 will be downloaded here. So whatever you want to download from any website, you can just go and click on the table and data will be downloaded in Excel.